Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbud143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to link the text boxes in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. As we all know that text boxes are not large enough to contain all of the text we want to include. When we run out of the room for text, we can connect multiple text boxes using link. Then the text will continue to read from one text box to the next. Open Publisher 2007. Here I want to create a text box and add some text. And it is out of the room to add the text, so I got A with 3 dots. Draw another text box. Now we want to link these two so that additional text we added in the first text box will come into the second text box. For this we need to import a toolbar. Come to View, navigate to Toolbars. Here please select Connect Text Boxes. If already selected, ignore this. After this we will get the toolbar with Create Text Box Link and Break Forward Link options. Select first box and come to the toolbar. Click on Create Text Box Link. Now we will get a link icon with the cursor. Just click in the second text box and any text that overflows from the original text box will now appear in the connected box, and we can continue our typing. Again we got A with 3 dots. Draw another text box. Now we need to select the second text box. Again come to the toolbar, click on Create Text Box Link and select the third text box and we will get the text. Notice that when we click on a text box, we will get a arrow sign below the text boxes which indicates that the selected text box is linked. Click on that and it will take us to the next text boxes. Again click on the arrow in the top and it will take us to the previous text boxes. We can also link the text boxes which are in different pages. For that we need to follow the same procedure as shown above. First draw a text box in another page. In page 6 I want to draw a text box and come to the text boxes in 4th page and continue typing the text. Once we got A with 3 dots, go to the toolbar, click on Create Text Box Link and come to the 6th page. Select the text box and we got the link successfully. This can be useful to jump from one page to another pages in the publication. We can also show a note. Continue to next page to access the text in another page so that people can easily recognize that. For that click in the third box and come to Format menu, navigate to text box and select that. Here please come to the text box tab. Select the option Include Continued on Page. Click OK. Now we got the note in the third text box. Let's zoom. And here it is showing continued on page 6 so that we can jump into the 6th page to access the text. Similarly, I want to add continue from page in last text box. Click in the text box. Come to Format tab. Select a text box. Go to text box tab. Select the option Include Continued from Page. Click OK. And it is showing the note continued from page 4. And just widen the text box to show the full text. After this, if you want to break the link, with next boxes we have the option in Publisher. Here I want to break the link between second and third text box. For that please second text box. Come to Toolbar and select the option Break Forward Link. And the link will be removed between second and third box and also with the fourth box. And we will get the complete note in second text box. Just widen the text box to see the complete text. Like this we can link the text boxes in Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbud143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.